Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Settings and going straight to General. This is faster than waiting in Software Update. Once there, tap iPhone Storage and scroll to the iOS Update entry. You'll see the file size. Tap the update, then choose Delete Update. This removes the installer so the process can't continue. Do this immediately if the progress bar is moving slowly or an update is queued. Deleting stops the installer files, and if needed, you can re-download later when you're ready. Once deletion isn't possible because verification or installation started, act quickly. Perform a force restart. Press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. This interrupts many stuck processes and may return you to normal. If the phone remains in a loop or shows an update screen, put it in recovery mode and connect to a Mac or PC. Choose Update or Restore in Finder or iTunes. Make sure to back up first if possible, because Restore can erase data. You finish by verifying the update is gone. Reopen Settings, go to General and iPhone Storage to confirm no iOS installer remains. If you want the update later, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and over 50% battery or plugged in before reinstalling via software update. If the device still misbehaves after deletion and restart, use DFU Restore as a last resort or contact Apple support. This solves deeper firmware issues, but be prepared to restore from a backup if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.